Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your financial literacy with Investopedia, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Investopedia website. Once on the home page, familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter specific financial topics or terms you want to learn about. Explore the search results for articles and guides that interest you. Click on a relevant article to gain in-depth knowledge about the topic. Pay attention to key definitions and explanations presented in the article. Utilize the interactive tools available on the site, such as calculators and quizzes. Take advantage of the tutorial videos for visual learning. Consider creating a free account for personalized features. Check out the Investopedia Academy for structured courses. Review the course offerings and select one that matches your learning goals. Proceed to enroll in the chosen course. Engage with the content through exercises and assessments provided. Regularly revisit the site for updated articles and financial news. Take notes as you progress to reinforce your understanding. Join the Investopedia community forums to discuss and ask questions. Apply what you learn in real-life financial situations to solidify your knowledge. Continuously seek out new challenges to further enhance your financial literacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.